एवरीबॉडी, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ इंडिगो एयरलाइंस में रिसेंटली पूछे गए कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू में जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, जो लोगों ने भी मेरे साथ शेयर किया है इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर 2025, वो सारे क्वेश्चन मैं आपके साथ इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगी। मैंने पार्ट 1 भी सितंबर 2025 का बनाया है, सो अगर आप चाहें तो उसको भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, वो भी मेरे चैनल पे ही अपलोडेड है। ये पार्ट 2 वीडियो होने वाला है सितंबर 2025 का। हमेशा की तरह मैं सैम्पल आंसर्स भी डिस्कस करूंगी फॉर यू टू गेट अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि आप कौन से लाइंस में अपने आंसर्स प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं अगर आपको ये सवाल पूछे जाए आपके इंटरव्यू में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मेरा नाम है रचना, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। So the first question is, talk about a common stereotype you have heard and what do you think of it? Well, if I had to answer this question, I would say one of the most common stereotypes that I've come across is that women cannot drive as good as a man can or men can. And I don't think that this is true. I think in this world of equality today, women can do almost everything and much more than what a man can do. With all due respect to men out there in the world, I don't think first of all there should be a comparison between genders. However, if this stereotype is being questioned, I believe that there are far more better women drivers in the society, in the community, and let's not restrict ourselves to just looking at women driving a particular four-wheeler or any other vehicle on the roads. There are female pilots who are flying us from one corner of the world to the other corner of the world, and this stereotype is just going to remain a stereotype, and that's what I think. Next question, if I give you an opportunity to choose a country to visit, which country would it be and why? Well, if I had to answer this question, choose any country, any city, if she gives you an option of choosing a city or whatsoever. If it's limited to only a country, if I had to choose a country, I would say the one country that I have not visited so far is Iceland, and that's the country I would choose. The reason is very simple and it's straightforward. Everybody knows, just to see the northern lights. It is a phenomenon that is on my to-do list and I really want to witness it at least once in my life. Next question is your most remembered memory. Whether it's good or bad, it's okay, but whatever is your most remembered memory. In this question, I would like to suggest you कि let's say आपने कुछ good memory बोला है, then you're good to go. Now let's say you want to mention a bad memory. Remember कि हमेशा कोई भी negative चीज को आपको positive note पे ही end करना है. If you are talking about a bad memory, talk about a learning experience from that bad memory. Talk about something that you've learned from that experience. Okay, so this is a self-explanatory question, but I've already given you a tip or a suggestion what you should do if you want to answer from whichever perspective. Next question is, which two qualities are best for making friends or for being friends with somebody? Well, if I had to answer this question, I would say the two important qualities that I look for whenever I become friends with somebody are being faithful and being truthful. I believe that both these things go hand in hand. If your friend is not going to be true to you, then that person cannot be trusted. And if that person cannot be trusted, that person is not going to be somebody who you can call faithful. Somebody who's faithful is going to always be speaking the truth, and these are the two qualities that I believe are very important or I look for when I am making a friend. Next question, who inspired you to become a cabin crew? Now in this question आपको किसी cabin crew के बारे में बात करना पड़ेगा, राइट? अगर आप किसी को भी जानते हैं जो cabin crew है in real life, चाहे वो इंडिगो में हो या कोई और एयरलाइन में भी हो, ठीक है, make sure you talk about them and make sure you talk about what they have learned and how they have grown as a cabin crew in this profession, ठीक है, how they have inspired you to take up this role. So you have to talk from those aspects, not from the fact that I love the fact that she's always traveling, she's getting to see new things. No, you're going to talk about how she has become more responsible, how she feels so much more responsible after taking care of so many people on board, taking care of their well-being, making sure that they are safe, keeping up with all the company policies, staying updated, always being positive towards everybody around. And this has changed her as a person. This profession has changed her as a person, and that's why you're inspired by this person. So whoever it is, make sure you talk about them. Now let's say आप किसी को नहीं जानते हो, if you're seeing somebody on YouTube, you feel that this person is the right person who you can mention about, talk about them also, because you have to talk about somebody who inspires you to become a cabin crew. Okay, next question is, why do you want to join Indigo? इसके ऊपर मैंने एक detailed video बनाया है where I have made I think about 4 or 5 sample answers. I will put it in the I button so you can refer that video and make your own sample answer. उसमें मैंने इंडिगो के ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से जो भी उनके अचीवमेंट्स थे, अवार्ड्स, रिकग्निशंस जो भी थे, उन सबको पाइल अप करके एक सैम्पल आंसर का वीडियो बनाया है. यू कैन रेफर दैट वीडियो एंड वॉट एवर यू थिंक इज बेस्ट वाई यू वॉन्ट टू जॉइन इंडिगो, यू कैन यूज दैट एज योर सैम्पल आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वॉट आर द इशूज इन आवर कंट्री दैट शुड हैव बीन रिजॉल्व्ड बाय नाउ? Well, according to me, because we are in the 21st century, something that should have been resolved by now is gender discrimination. Today in our society, when women are almost in every field, they are doing fantastic in every field, they are performing in every field. I believe gender discrimination should not be there, and a small example that should have been resolved or should have not even occurred is of doctors being able to disclose the gender of the baby when a woman is pregnant. When a woman is pregnant, till today in India, we have this rule that the doctors cannot disclose the gender of the baby until the baby is born. Now, the reason is directly linked to gender discrimination, to female infanticide, and that is something that should have been resolved by now, because I think we as a country have come very, very far from that, and this thing should have been abolished or resolved long time ago. आज के इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगर आपने भी इंडिगो एयरलाइंस में रिसेंटली कोई भी कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू दिया है, चाहे वो ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू हो, चाहे वो AI इंटरव्यू राउंड हो, या जो भी आपने इंटरव्यू राउंड दिया है, एंड आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन शेयर करना चाहते हैं, तो फील फ्री टू राइट टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. A lot of people who are aiming at attending interviews or who are preparing to become cabin crew will benefit from it. And of course, I will also discuss sample answers for your future, or next time whenever you want to attend the interview, you can prepare after watching videos. Again, thank you very much for your time. Stay tuned for more. Goodbye.